Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Our today topic is about the human digestive system and its function. The digestive system is a long, twisting tube that starts at the mouth and goes through the esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine, and ends at the anus. The digestive system breaks down food into simple nutrients such as carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Let's discuss the parts of the GIT system. The human digestive system consists of the gastrointestinal tract plus the accessory organs of digestion, including the tongue, salivary glands, pancreas, liver, and gallbladder. The gastrointestinal tract consists of the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, large and small intestine. First is the mouth, which is the beginning of the digestive tract. Digestion starts before even take a bite. Salivary glands get active as you see and smell food. Saliva mixes with the food to begin to break it down into a form the body can absorb and use. Located in the throat near the trachea, windpipe, the esophagus receives food from the mouth when swallowing. The epiglottis is a small flap that folds over the windpipe to prevent choking. A series of muscular contractions within the esophagus called peristalsis delivers food to the stomach. Ring-like muscle at the bottom of esophagus called the lower esophageal sphincter has to relax to let the food in. The sphincter then contracts and prevents the contents of the stomach from flowing back into the esophagus. The stomach is a hollow organ, or container, that holds food while it is being mixed with stomach enzymes. These enzymes continue the process of breaking down food into a usable form. Cells in the lining of the stomach secrete a strong acid and powerful enzymes that are responsible for the breakdown process. When the contents of the stomach are processed enough, they're released into the small intestine. Small intestine is made up of 3 segments: the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. The small intestine is a 22-foot-long muscular tube that breaks down food using enzymes released by the pancreas and bile from the liver. Peristalsis also works in this organ, moving food through and mixing it with digestive juices from the pancreas and liver. The duodenum is the first segment of the small intestine. It's largely responsible for the continuous breaking down process. The jejunum and ileum lower in the intestine are mainly responsible for the absorption of nutrients into the bloodstream. The pancreas secretes digestive enzymes into the duodenum that break down protein, fats, and carbohydrates. Bile from the liver secreted into the small intestine also plays an important role in digesting fat and some vitamins. The liver is body's chemical factory. It takes the raw materials absorbed by the intestine and makes all the various chemicals the body needs to function. The gallbladder stores and concentrates bile from the liver, and then releases it into the duodenum in the small intestine to help absorb and digest fats. The colon is responsible for processing waste. It's a 6-foot-long muscular tube that connects the small intestine to the rectum. The colon is made up of the cecum, the ascending right colon, the transverse across colon, the descending left colon, and the sigmoid colon, which connects to the rectum. Stool, or waste left over from the digestive process, is passed through the colon through peristalsis, first in a liquid state and ultimately in a solid form. As stool passes through the colon, water is removed. Stool is stored in the sigmoid, S-shaped colon until a mass movement empties it into the rectum once or twice a day. When the descending colon becomes full of stool or feces, it empties its contents into the rectum to begin the process of elimination, a bowel movement. This is all about the human digestive system and its brief function. Like, share, and comment on the video. For more videos, subscribe to our channel.